Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making the easiest bread recipe. It's only 5 ingredients. It takes 5 minutes to prepare. Leave it on the counter for 2 to 6 hours and it's almost ready. You just gotta knead it a little, pop it in the oven, and there you go. You'll have a delicious bread that you can make every day and your family will be so impressed. And please, thank you.
Let's start with 3 cups of bread or all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of salt, and 3/4 teaspoon of instant yeast. Make sure your water is lukewarm at about 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Add in your 1¼ cup of lukewarm water and combine until a gooey dough forms. Cover well and set on your counter for up to 2 to 6 hours. Now for part 2. I know this dough doesn't look promising, but I got you, I promise. Start by removing the dough from the edges. Fold in your dough about 9 times while continuously rotating. Flour your surface and begin pinching in the corners to form a ball. Place your dough back into the bowl and proof for another 30 minutes. While proofing, heat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and place your Dutch oven in to preheat it. It's super important that your Dutch oven is preheated. Line your preheated Dutch oven with parchment paper and gently place your dough in. Then cut 2 slits on the top and lightly flour. Cover and bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Then uncover and bring the temperature down to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for an additional 10 to 15 minutes or until golden. This is how our final product should look, basically perfection. Place on a wire rack and let cool for about 45 minutes. I can't get over how perfect this crust is. Now let's dig in. That is just perfect. Pretty impressive for such a quick and easy recipe. Enjoy, guys!